Hello and welcome to my channel, Cooking with Shani. Today I'm going to be making shrimp tacos. First, we'll start off with medium to large shrimp, chopped in half and cleaned. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 scallion, or some people call green onion, 1/4 cup of Spanish onion diced, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, 3 sprigs of thyme chopped up, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning, and then this is 1/3 cup of my special taco seasoning. But there's a lot of love in that taco seasoning, like brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and a few other things that I don't want to name because it wouldn't be my special secret. Alrighty, so let's add the lemon juice, the green onion, the Spanish chopped onion, the garlic, thyme, paprika and black pepper, and adobo seasoning. And with this marinade, I would generally let it marinate for about 1 to 2 hours, just to make sure all the flavors connect with the shrimp. And then you don't want to add your taco seasoning until the last few minutes of cooking, and then you'll add about 1/4 cup of water. Okay. Since my children are hungry, I'm about to cook these shrimp right now for you. But like always, I'll have a part 2 with the end result. So you just want to add the shrimp to a nice hot skillet. Doesn't that mixture look pretty? Oh my goodness, it's full of love in this skillet right now. The skillet right now is on medium heat. You want to cook your shrimp for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how well you want it. Okay, so I'll come back with the end results in a few seconds.